In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter data into Sugar. The two ways that I'm going to talk about today in this video is going to be manually creating records within Sugar, relating them to the associated records, and doing an import into any of the modules. First off, for the manual import, you will see in the upper right-hand corner there is a Quick Create button. The Quick Create menu is fully customizable within the admin section where you can control which options that you can quick create for. For example, if I wanted to quickly create a new lead here within Sugar, I will create the lead, and this will give me all of the available fields to add this lead. As part of Sugar Studio, which I will go over in the next section, you can control what fields are going to be required when a new record is added into the system. As you can see here, the only field that is required is the last name field. So if I were to add in here Mark and try to save this, it is not going to allow me because I did not enter a last name. Okay. You can also add records into Sugar by clicking the drop-down arrow within each of the modules. And from here you can quickly create a new account, you can create an opportunity. And so when you are creating a new opportunity, it is important that you relate an opportunity back to an account. So as you can see here, when I'm creating an opportunity, it is required that I add an account name before I save this. So I can simply just start to type in a couple letters there, find Max Holdings Ltd, put in my opportunity name, and save this. This is also going to require a close date before I save this, but of course you can change that within Sugar Studio to make that not required. Okay. You can also open up an account or open up any record, scroll down to your related subpanels, and create a record from here by simply hitting the plus sign next to that subpanel. So if I wanted to quickly create a new opportunity, hit the plus sign, it'll automatically be related to ABC Industrial Company. I will put in my close date, I'll put in my opportunity name, and I can save it directly from here. Next is doing a mass import. So every module in Sugar gives you the ability to import into. So I can import a list of my accounts here through this drop down within the accounts module, import a list of my opportunities, import a list of leads. Very common to import your records in this way as you're starting with Sugar, or you could also import a list of leads in here when you come back from a trade show. To import leads in, you would simply just follow the on-screen wizard to import your data. It's a few steps. You will select the file on your computer. You'll match up the columns in that CSV file to the fields within Sugar. You'll select what fields you want to dedupe that list on. Typically in leads, we'll dedupe based on email address or maybe first name and last name. And then you'll import your list into Sugar. It should take a few minutes to import a couple hundred, a couple thousand records. Thank you.